Hi, I'm David Wilton from Tenant Pulse, and I want to tell you about a new report we've got coming out tomorrow, which is Wednesday the 6th of October. The report's under our Tenant Pulse series, and it explores tenants' views on really their homes, their communities, and the issues that really matter to them. The survey was completed by tenants of housing associations, council housing, and just as importantly, private renters. And it's the biggest one we've done to date, and I'm really quite excited about it. The findings and recommendations within the research offer valuable insight into the challenges tenants are experiencing and what they like about their communities and what could be better. It's on our website from tomorrow. It'll also be on social media, so please join in the debate. And if you're a tenant, you'll hopefully have received a copy already. So, final point, I think we've got a lunchtime briefing tomorrow where we'll talk about the report and have a discussion on it. Details are on our website and events. So hopefully look out for the report tomorrow. Diolch yn fawr.